Today on demand, I am taking the topic of arithmetic progression from class 10 syllabus, that is in short form we call it as AP. This is a very short chapter based on the formula. Only little concepts are there which I am going to start now. So suppose we write a number in a series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to n number of n terms. And suppose again we write some series randomly 2, 5, 7, 10 or suppose 15 and so on. Again we write one series 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 to n number of terms. So what is the difference between these series? So what is the difference between the two terms? Here it is 3, 2, 3, 5. What is the difference here? 3, 3, again 3, again 3. So there is, you can see here there is a constant difference of 3 among the numbers. So this is what is AP. When there is a constant difference between the terms, that is called a common difference, and it is denoted by symbol D, which is called common difference. Now first term of the AP, this is the first term of the AP series, that is denoted by symbol A. So A is denoted for first term of AP. Now coming towards the series, how we can write the series with these two symbols? This is A plus D. First is the first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on up to n number of terms. If we have to find the total terms here in the last, what we have to frame? We have to frame one formula for this, that is called the general term of AP. This is a symbol to form to find the general term of AP, Tn, that is which term you want to find, the nth term. Tn is equal to first term plus n minus 1, that is the preceding term from this, multiply with the common difference. So this is one formula which we have to see. This is the first concept of AP. Now suppose we take an example. Suppose this is a series 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Now question arises here is, if this series is AP series, if this is showing a AP series, what we have to do? We have to first check the common difference. That is the main rule to check whether the series shows the AP series. So if we check the common difference between 4 and 7, it is 3. 7 and 10, again 3. 10 and 13, 3. 13 and 16, 3. So you can see the constant difference is 3 here. But dear friends, this is maths and we need marks. For that we have to frame one formula for common difference. So what can be the formula? This is what T1, that is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term up to Tnth term. So we will frame a small formula for common difference, that is T2 minus T1, okay, that is equal to T3 minus T2 and so on. So here 7 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. This will be the complete answer to show that the series shows an AP series. This holds marks. You know, in maths every formula holds marks. Now the next question arises is nth term. How we will find the nth term for this series? So previously we just framed the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will just put the values, which is the first term here, 4. So A is what? 4 plus n, we don't know, and common difference is 3. So what is this? 4 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 3n plus 1. So this is the rule for this AP series. If we have to find any term between these, we can just make it with this formula. We have to solve it with this formula. Suppose if we have to find here, say here it is T5. if we have to find T10, T14 number here. So how we have to find? We have to consider this rule. Suppose we have to find the 14th term in this series. So we will write here T14 is equal to 3 multiply with 14 plus 1, which is 43. Okay, coming towards the next concept. So next question is, which term of the AP in this series is 79? Now where, see, 4, 9, 14, 19, where 79 will come? This is which term? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Which term in this series will 79 will appear? This is what is nth term. Okay, dear friends. So this is how we have to find the nth term. We'll just check. We have a formula here, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now what all we have, we will write here. This is very must required for maths to get the score marks. And what will be the common difference? It will be 9 minus 4, which is equal to 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. This is the way you have to solve. Again, coming towards this formula, 79 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1, we don't know n, that's what we have to find it out, 5. 79 is equal to 4 plus 5n minus 5. Further solving, we will get here 79 plus 1 is equal to 5n. Okay, so 5n is equal to 80. N is what? 80 divided by 5 is equal to 16. So here in 16th term of this series, we will get the number 79. This is the basic concept here. Okay, coming towards the next concept. Yeah, so next concept is find nth term from end of an AP. Now how, from the first term you have started A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. If the last number of the series, suppose it is L, then preceding will be L minus D, further it will be L minus 2D and so on. So if we have to find the nth term from the end of an AP, again we have one formula here, that is to find the nth term from the end of AP is L minus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so we'll just see one question here. Find the 8th term. Suppose if we have to find the 8th term from the end of the series, suppose it is 4, 9, 14 up to 254. Suppose this is the question. So we have to find the 8th term from the end of AP. We have to just put the values in the formula here. L is what? Last number is 254 minus, we have to find the 8th term. So 8 minus 1 multiply with, what is the common difference here? 5. So it is 5. So 254 minus 7 into 5 is what? Final answer will be 219. So 8th term from the end of the AP will be this number. Okay. So coming towards the next concept. Now third concept is, if we have to find the sum of n terms of an AP, we have again one formula to find the sum of the series. We have to find, then we have one formula Sn, sum, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, if we have to find the sum. And again if we split this a here, a plus n minus 1 into D. Suppose if we take this into account, this is what again? Tn. If we have in the question the last number, then what we have to, how we have to find the sum is a plus, taking this as whole, as L. So this here you can see one formula and here it is. So coming towards the next question, find the sum all even numbers between 10 and 100. So how we will find the sum here? Suppose after 10, what is the even number? 12. then 14, then 16, then 18 up to before 100 will be what? 98. So this is the series. We have to find the sum for this series. So now we will observe here that we don't have here n, means how many number of terms are there in between. So first we will take the formula as Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have here the 10th last term is 98, first term is 12 plus n minus 1 into common difference here is 2. So further solving we'll get here 98 minus 12 is equal to 2n minus 2. Here n further solving answer will be 44. Okay, so now n we got here as 44. Again we have to find the sum. Sum for this 44 series will be what? Again we will put it in the formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be what? 44 by 2. 2 multiply with 12 plus 44 minus 1 multiply with 2. This further solving will give it answer as 2420. So here to do the sum of all this series, this is the way, this is the methodology we have to follow. It is very easy. We have to just put the values in the formula. We have to understand what is given in the question and how we have to proceed. Okay, coming towards the next question. Yeah, so again we have one more formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2a plus l. So we will understand this, how we will do. Here also you can see the last term is 98. This is what? L. And here we will just put the values. 44 by 2. A is what? 12, that is the first term, plus 98. This is what? 22 into 110 is what? Finally 2420. So this is the way we have to solve the sums. It is very easy chapter. So friends, any queries, feedback, you can just ping me in the comment box in the YouTube. And if you like it, please subscribe, share and like my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.